Do you want to learn how I got early access to GTA 6? I would love to, but this is just a joke. I will show you how to put any icon you want on your files, so you can prank your friends. Let's create a new folder. Right-click and Properties. Customize, change icon, and Browse. With Browse, you will choose a file. It should be an ICO file. It is icon extension. Let me show you how to create an icon. Go to Google. For example, write GTA 6 logo. Go to Images and choose one of them. For example, this one is perfect. The background is transparent. You should go download this image, and after that, you should go Google again. Let's search for image to ICO on Google. This is the way we will create an icon. For example, let's choose this website. You can choose your file and start conversion. After that, you will download the file. It will be an ICO file. You will go here, go Properties, Customize, change icon, and Browse files. And finally, you will choose the ICO file you just downloaded. Okay? After that, click OK, say Apply and click OK again. And then you will have Grand Theft Auto 6 easily, and you can prank your friends now. Subscribe to Mr. Tutorial for more tips. If you need anything, I am here for you. See you in the next video.